Unlock deeper connections, your guide to building emotional intimacy. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly essential for meaningful relationships of all kinds, emotional intimacy. Ever feel like you're close to someone, but there's still a layer you haven't quite peeled back? Or maybe you're longing for deeper connections in your life. You're not alone. Emotional intimacy isn't about grand gestures or constant physical touch. It's about that beautiful, vulnerable space where you feel truly seen, heard, and understood by another person. It's the bedrock of strong romantic partnerships, fulfilling friendships, and even healthy family dynamics. But let's be honest, building it can sometimes feel like navigating uncharted territory. So, grab a cup of your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's explore some practical ways to cultivate deeper emotional bonds. First things first, let's bust a common myth. Emotional intimacy isn't about oversharing every single detail of your life from day one. It's about gradual and reciprocal sharing of your thoughts, feelings, fears, and dreams. Think of it like building a bridge, brick by brick. Each shared vulnerability is a brick that strengthens the connection. One of the most crucial elements here is active listening. I mean really listening. Not just waiting for your turn to speak, but truly focusing on what the other person is saying, both verbally and non-verbally. Pay attention to their body language, their tone of voice. Ask clarifying questions. Show genuine curiosity about their inner world. And it goes both ways. Sharing your own feelings authentically is equally important. This doesn't mean dumping all your emotional baggage at once. Start small. Share how a certain situation made you feel, or a hope you have for the future. When you open up, you create space for the other person to do the same. It's a beautiful dance of give and take. Another key ingredient is empathy. Trying to understand and share the feelings of another person, even if you don't necessarily agree with their perspective. Putting yourself in their shoes and acknowledging their emotions can create a powerful sense of connection. Phrases like, "That sounds really tough," or, "I can understand why you'd feel that way," can be incredibly validating. Now, before we dive into a couple more powerful techniques, I have a quick question for you. What's one small step you can take today to be more emotionally open with someone in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences and we can create a supportive community here. Alright, let's move on to another vital aspect, creating shared experiences. Emotional intimacy often blossoms when you do things together, whether it's a fun activity, working on a project, or simply spending quality time without distractions. These shared moments create memories and strengthen your bond. And don't underestimate the power of vulnerability. This can feel scary, but it's where true connection often resides. Sharing your fears, your insecurities, your past experiences, in a safe and trusting environment, allows the other person to see the real you. It signals trust and invites them to be vulnerable in return. Finally, consistent effort and patience are key. Building emotional intimacy isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. There will be ups and downs, moments of deeper connection and times when you feel a bit distant. Be patient with yourself and with the other person. Keep showing up, keep communicating, and keep nurturing that emotional bond. So, there you have it, some actionable steps you can take to build deeper emotional intimacy in your relationships. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Be patient, be open, and be willing to connect on a deeper level. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your biggest takeaways from this video? And what are some of your own tips for building emotional intimacy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on relationships and personal growth. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.